Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset MGZS service light full guide. Start by parking the car on level ground, apply the handbrake, and turn off all accessories. Insert the key and switch to accessory mode without starting the engine. Locate the trip reset button on the dashboard and be ready to press and hold while cycling the ignition as instructed. Keep your movements deliberate and relaxed, and I will guide you through each press. I will walk you through the precise button sequence and timing to clear the service indicator on your MGZS. Keep the trip button pressed firmly, watch the dash for a countdown or flashing message, and follow the exact duration cues I describe. If your model shows a different symbol, use the same method but watch for a reset confirmation. I'll remind you of common variations and troubleshooting tips as we go. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: check out the comfy socks I'm wearing here. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I've linked a deal in the description for easy access. It's a silly little comfort during long wrenching sessions. Now let's get back to the video. If the service light does not clear, stay calm and try the reset sequence again with steady pressure and good contact on the button. Low battery voltage can cause the dash to misread inputs, so check voltage if you see odd behavior. If repeated attempts fail or the light returns shortly after, book a diagnostic check, since persistent warnings can indicate real maintenance needs rather than a simple reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.